So this is start of day 4. As you can see, we're already somewhere. This place is called Wall Drug in South Dakota, and apparently it was a drugstore that just kept growing and expanding and growing and expanding.
You called yourself a coward?
Wow.
What?
Having fun.
See.
It's a gorilla playing a piano.
A gorilla playing a piano?
You get lost just looking at everything.
Things, yeah.
But with the dawn I'll wake and yawn and carry on to water. Clear water. Keep the roof and then go to listen to his dance. Keep the devil out of hands and he spread the burning sand with water.
This place is called Wall, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that was Wall, South Dakota, with the Wall Drug Store. What? What?
This place is called Bald Land.
Bald Land?
Because all of their things were like Bald Land.
Badland.
Badland.
This is we are very close to Badland National Park.
Oh.
And so that's why they had a lot of stuff that said Badland on it. But this town, I believe, is called Wall. And that's what the Wall Drug Store that started up, and the guy just kept putting his money into the store and kept expanding it and growing it, and now it is just a big drugstore.
Yeah, see Badlands.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're headed towards Badlands National Park. Yeah, but I don't think we're stopping there.
I don't think so either.
We got long drive ahead of us. We'll be headed over the Missouri River and continue on with day 4. Yeah, continue on with day 4 right now and see where we end up. But we're currently at 1,148 miles.
We still have like 1,600 to go.
And like 1,600 to go. So we need to get some distance between us because we're still in South Dakota and have to make it to Virginia. Oh, and day 4 is here. We are at a Walmart, and we're just outside of Kansas City. It is 11:21 at night, 10:21 at Idaho time, but it's time to go to bed. And we'll see you for tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching this one. Hope to catch you in the next one.